TV channel. You know it's a girl, Rihanna, and it's a girl.
Jessie.
Well, people are texting from WhatsApp and say about this corona thing, so we do a video about corona.
So let us go into it.
So let us go into the video. So I say, you know, people are dying from this virus. We need to be safe. Of course, you have to be safe, man.
100%. Because guess what? We have 50 chance to live, 50 chance to die. So which one do not take? Me want to live, you know.
Live as long as more.
Alright. So we living. Alright.
KK say, you know, someone say we forgive a shout out to the young boss intent.
Young boss. Protect
Yeah,
yourself.
artist.
Be me artist. You see how me a talk enough? Because me have to say things enough for you. I love you and thing. But hypocrite people they don't like it.
Cut
So
off
just
a
pick
young.
up yourself.
James say, you know, be safe and listen to the government. Me know somehow we want party, but I have to we one good. Of course, I have to one good, man. We have to stay in, turn on the yard. So now, we get a message from I don't know that somebody just sending the message, just the number. Some of you in a metro look like it boss me can't talk good.
The person eventually I say. The corona when she attack, she can't talk good. So each time when she attack, she have to cough or so. You see my throat is a lock up, but guess what? Rain and Erica they mix up something and give me. You see me? So that's why I can talk now. I load up my motor for me fellows them. All the one we have video I can load it up off. Yes, sir.
The one I know are from Kadin. People, please be isolated because this thing is very bad and we must be careful. We must wear gloves and masks and other stuffs as we are here today. We love to give a shout out to the government. We are so thankful for you helping.
Yeah, no.
The last message I know, somebody has to give a big shout out to the couple them are technical. You can see what have with jersey with school top. Big up yourself Tishane and Kimba. Best couple in a technical.
Yeah, no. So out of one a mouth, would I like to say something? Well, first no.
Well, I would like to say, you know, thanks for the people that were subscribed to the channel and like and share. Thanks. Big up on yourself.
Yeah, and please, me I beg you, comment, share,
Like,
and please,
subscribe.
please, me I beg you know, the most one you want to do, share and subscribe. If you know what we do not, you know, comment and look on the description box. You know, I'm going to say, yeah, on Instagram, me name Jessica Smalling, she name
Riri Icon.
And if you know what more things about it, you can just look up because we have a picture like every day.
Alright, if you know contact we, the number we use to do business is at 287-8166.
And trust you, we're not so shameful. So when you no call, we not gonna get we are always active. We can
busy.
talk to it.
Busy.
Yeah.
So thanks for watching our video.
Yeah. Thanks to Auntie Curtis and Uncle Curtis for help you out. Yeah. Thanks.
Hey, it's right.